Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing and beautiful designs of crochet cardigans for ladies. You will see very attractive and beautiful designs of large sized cardigans, and these designs are mostly made with patchwork, and you will see other designs which are having one row or two row repeat patterns in them as well. So different kinds of ideas are included in this video, and all of them are very unique and attractive, especially their color schemes. You can see most beautiful and attractive contrasting color schemes are used in patchwork designs, and in other designs very attractive winter color schemes are used. So I especially like colors like this, which is a combination of light and dark color schemes. So you will see different kinds of designs with different color schemes. You will see brighter tone color schemes as well, and nude color schemes are also used in some of the designs. So you can have all types of color schemes ideas in this video, from light to bright, and I hope you're gonna love them all. So give this video a big thumbs up if you like most of these designs, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this if you are new to my channel. So press the red subscribe button. After that, press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of handmade products ideas which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration products. So you will find macrame stuff ideas, crochet stuff ideas, hand knitted projects ideas, crafting related ideas available on my channel. I have different types of macrame wall hanging projects ideas available on my channel, and I also upload crochet tutorial video. So if you are interested in seeing crochet tutorial videos, do let me know in the comments as well. I will also upload crochet tutorials on your request. I have different crochet tutorials of square patterns and round patterns available on my channel already, and beginner friendly stitches pattern are also available. And you can just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing any specific tutorial video which is currently not available on my channel. I will make it for you. I have many of crochet baby accessories tutorial videos as well, so you can also check them out. Baby scarves, baby cardigans, baby dresses, baby shoes and headband tutorial videos, and even some blanket patterns are available, so you can check them out as well. And a baby poncho tutorial is also available of granny pattern, so do check them out and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.